How to create Netflix account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can create a Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to create a Netflix account, first of all, instead of using the app, I would recommend that you open up your browser instead and go to netflix.com. Then tap on the sign in option that you can find from the top right hand side of the screen. Then right over here you can see new to Netflix sign up now option, so make sure to just tap on the sign up now button here. Then from here you simply need to go ahead and then make sure to enter a certain email address that you want to use for your Netflix account in this case. Once you've done that, tap on the get started option there. Then after that it will ask you to finish setting up your account. Just tap on the next option and all you have to do is create a password that you can remember. Then tap on next. After that it will ask you to enter your payment details, and once you enter your payment details, your Netflix account will get successfully created. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then create a Netflix account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.